I will record this also so that if somebody who is missing today, at least they can also join. So is it visible, sir? Now it's okay. Screen is there. Okay, fine. Okay, good morning, friends. That's a new beginning. So for me, I take this pleasures to invite all Nexus from Dubai as well as Abu Dhabi who has been in time. They will definitely join the meetings, but I think after now they will not allow after 100. So launching of new plans post POD 49. So but we are coming up with a new change, new market. So new beginning from LIC to all of you also. So my agenda for today. Uh, Next 60 minutes, probably around 50 minutes will be the presentations and 10 minutes will be the Q&A. So major changes of BOD 49 on LIC plans. That is not much, but something which is related to only LIC because everybody have must gone through what is exactly changes happen in the market. New arrivals from LIC International post BOD 49. We have 5 different plans in a different segments. I can tell you in almost we are trying to cover almost all savings and retirements and children segments to bring the new products, very innovative products. Understanding its sellability, that is more point. So if you miss the lecture in the last 10-15 minutes, will definitely you will miss some important things. How the product will be positioned in the market and understanding its sellability is the trump card which I'm going to use today at the end of the session, and then Q&A. So very brief, but wanted I will try to make it more effective in terms of presentation today. So let us understand regulatory burden on UAE insurance market. There has been plenty of criticisms, plenty of support system, but in end of the day, it has been implemented and by hue and cry, this BOD 49 is there. Now, what questions we have, what are the suggestions we are going to have? So future course of the industry will take the lessons from this in new regulatory burden. But slightly, how it has, many people, if doesn't know what is BOD 49, slightly I'll tell you, this was a board of directors of Insurance Authority decision number 49, which is in limbo for last 2.5 years, but finally it came into existence from 15th October 2020. So this is a year full of surprises, starting with Corona and then pandemic, then plenty of things were happening during this time, and now this is again a surprise and again a new change. It means like a new industry is being born today. So this is applicable to life insurance and takaful insurance companies with all related to regulations. Insurance industry of UAE is reborn in a new era, which I personally see as my experience of last 20 years in this industry, in insurance industry in various countries. So I am seeing this is a newborn for the UAE market, especially insurance industry is concerned. So let us find out from our company's perspectives, what is related to only LIC and how LIC came also in this. Many people believe that it is only about commission, so LIC is not affected, but somehow it was not true. So there are certain things which I'll measure changes, immediate impact on us as a LIC was, which is important. That I'll tell you. All our existing plans have been withdrawn. You must have seen 100%, whatever, almost we are having 23 running plans have been withdrawn on 14th of October this year. There is a new changes which has come, and that is one of the reason the withdrawal had happened is overall capping on commissions of new plans, and that is what is a pros and cons. I treat it as an opportunities to grow, but many people treat it as a threat to grow. So always when there is a new change, everybody feel a pressure. But as I personally see, being optimistic is the best way to work in a marketing sector. So I personally see this is an opportunity where you can become a good financial advisor in the days to come. Distribution of commission to full terms of premium payment. This was a new change in UAE market. Mostly people were uh, mostly camping on the first year commissions, and then second and third year just a peanuts, and after 3 years there was nothing, no more commission. This was sometimes is not good for customers understanding, because sustainability of customer comes into a picture. So if customer is not able to pay and there is no renewal premium running, so sometimes there is a feeling of that agents will leave that customer to become an orphan. So this is somehow at overall international perspectives very implemented, where commission is now distributed for the full terms of premium. Now there is another way of presenting. So there should not be mis-selling in market. So they have put a standardized gross marketing illustrations, rate of EIBOR plus 4%. which I'm sure everybody understood. This is Emirates interbank offer rate. I can, in a local term, you can understand there is a bank rate of this country, CBE, which is regulated by CBE, and on that bank rate, you can have a spread of 3.5%, 4% on based on that. The product has to be benefit illustration has to be prepared. So customer can understand between these two rates will be, and every quarter this is going to be assessed. So there is a change in marketing illustration which we have to submit to the customer. So there is a format is also changed, and content of illustration has become more like disclosure is very clear. You have to disclose, customer has to disclose that whatever is mentioned, guaranteed, non-guaranteed is understood to me. There is nothing beyond that. So this is all to check and balances of mis-selling of the products in the market. So disclosure norms from consultant and customer is more strict now. There is another point which I personally see that it is a more customer centric. So surrender value rates has increased. It is not good for the insurance company, but somehow from a customer point of view, surrender value rates has increased. So more benefits to clients. Customer can expect some value even after 1 year of their policy. Also, if they don't continue, he may get after 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. There is a substantial, there will not be much loss to their policy. Earlier, it was like almost 2-3 years premiums is gone. Nothing is going to be paid. So this is how broadly the changes which is coming to insurance point of view, savings plans. There is another thing which is another clawback where there in most of the companies, even LIC was not having this, but LIC also has been coming into this bracket for the first year commission. Clawback clause has to be implemented by LIC also, but that will not have much impact on us because most of our policy comes either in yearly premium or half yearly premium. So only first year premium is important for clawback clauses. So that is changes from LIC perspective. Other than that, you must be understanding why LIC's new plans are coming up and with low returns, and there is a problem. People have started comparing with the old rates and new rates. I think my one suggestion, you stop comparing with the old plans, but definitely I'll give you what is the reason of drastic change. Friends, other than BOD 49, we are also complying with the investment patterns. We are also getting challenge threat because there are certain rules which has been implemented by federal law here, and that is being LIC being a GCC based company, they were always having leverage of investments in other countries and getting better return from there and paying back to the UAE customers. I think that is now going to be a challenge for us. In 2015, UAE's new business must be invested in UAE market only. This means you have to compete with the developed nation investment yield securities in USD. In the past, what we were getting, you used to collect the premium from this country because our country corporate office in Bahrain, investment team sits in Bahrain, so they have a leverage of investing in Bahrain also, Oman also, Qatar also, because that country is not much developed, so you may get a good securities of higher coupons. And that is one of the reasons we used to park maximum money in that part, and which is almost like a sovereign, but getting high yield there and then paying back to this country. Now, developed nation investment yield securities in current form is presently yield is between 2 to 3%. You cannot expect more than that. I'm talking about the sovereign bonds, securities bonds, where especially the fixed instruments are being invested. LIC is now forced to invest in UAE, leading to low return propositions on our investment securities, unlike old era of global opportunities. But I personally see even the customer, except LIC, others were already mostly in ULIP form. So we have only in the fixed instruments, fixed return instruments category. So LIC is also now competing with the market available instrument in this market. And I'll tell you how still we are far, far superior than other products in the market. Also, a huge task to align our old investments from other countries to UAE also, because the compliance burden we are having, that the old investment which we have made in 3-4 years also has to be brought back to UAE. So we are all going on this thing, but I can assure you our company, LIC International, will remain the most trusted brand of UAE in our exclusive sector, which is our exclusive sector is a capital guaranteed and low risk investment tool. And especially after this global pandemic, friends, this has become synonymous that people looking for a capital guarantee return, people looking for emergency funds should be secure, people looking for the sure events has to be planned through a guarantee return of plan or maybe low risk of investments tool, where we have a very, very large share. So post BOD 49, what is available for us? The new arrivals of LIC, very proudly I can tell you, friends, Only insurance company in UAE to have highest segmented plan, different segments. We have a very innovative plans. We have brought 5 new plans of financial solutions in 4 different segments. So what are those segments where LIC is being placed today? The first segment is regular savings, second is a child education, third is a guaranteed annuity, 2 guaranteed annuity plans we have brought, and fourth is a single investment like a fixed maturity plan. And the regular saving is assured return plan. It is like a bonus related plan. Your capital will be secure in terms of sum assured, and the bonus will be paid every year like our old participating endowment plans. Now, all 4 plans, child education, annuity, and single premium, these are all guaranteed returns plan. So we still afford to bring you a guaranteed returns plans in a very competitive rates. So friends, let us take first example with the assured return plans. That is LIC's new pen participating endowment plan. It is 256. I think old plan our was 202, which was the most popular plan. So now we have replaced with the same pen, but we put it new. So there should not be any confusion. It is almost similar, but there are certain things which I'll definitely tell you how this plan is look like. It is the simplest and most popular plan of LIC International. Had been the history last 30 years. This is the most popular plan. I'm sure many of you who are attending today's seminar must have sold this plan also. Even a small provision today can grow to a corpus for a future. Guaranteed and assured return. There is some guaranteed part also. There is a assured return part also. So based on the future investment yield, if today is in a pandemic, we are not able to provide you a very high return, but in the future, if investment yields gets improved, we are going to give you the better return. So you have a flexibility of assured returns and guaranteed return. There is line features of the plans are capital guaranteed return through systematic investment. This is how the plan is being designed. Second, life cover from day one. Whatever premium you choose as a monthly, minimum 55 times to 100 times of very high life cover from day one. So there is an insurance point also, even if it is a saving plans, but there is an insurance concept also here where you can leverage certain security to the family also. Sum assured is guaranteed from day one, and always sum assured is having the guaranteed part. Even somebody pays $100 a monthly, if sum assured comes to around 10,000 or 20,000, 25,000 sum assured. So 25,000 is guaranteed from day one. Customer friendly liquidity options. Now, new surrender value is more effective, more turnaround. I think these are the nutshells to designing the plan. So let us see the plans are how plans are placed. Limited payment liability, we have 5-7 years as unique facility in UAE. That is what people look for, and we are hardly few companies in this market who provides a very short-term premium payment of 5 years, even in one time, even premium ceiling of 3 years, 2 years, 4 years, you can pay in advance, and 7 years. So I'll come to the plan illustrations also. What are the eligibility conditions? Friend, there are certain change from old plans. So have attention here. Entry age is now from 8 to 65. Earlier it was 12 to 65. Now it has been reduced to 8. So we have given more avenues to the early years of your children segment also in a 4-5 years in early advanced age. Now maximum maturity age was 75. Earlier it was 70. Now it has become 75 years also. Minimum sum assured was earlier 3,500. Now it is 4,000 maximum, no limits based on the financial underwriting. Policy term has been changed, friends. Now it is 10 to 35. Earlier it was 5 to 35. Now it has become 10. So minimum policy term of this endowment plan is 10 years. So this is a new change. And I personally see the future of LIC is a medium and long-term investment saving plan. So let us not go to short-term for LICs, especially endowment plans, which is not giving a good return. So that is why I try to give some good returns to the customers. We increase the term to 10 years. Now the premium paying term is full term. That is whatever term you choose to, that is equals to the term equals to PPT. Then we have a facility of taking term, any term between 10 to 35, but you can choose a premium paying term of 5 years or 7 years. So there are 2 limited payment term here. Earlier it was only 5 years. Now it is 7 years also. There is additional riders in this plan is accidental death benefit riders if opted. Additional amount equal to rider sum assured shall be payable in case of death of life proposed due to accident. So maximum sum assured is allowed is $100,000. This is the basic condition. So summarizing to understand, ADB is allowed after age 18 and maximum is up to 70 years. The ADB is allowed. So product feature we must keep in mind is a minimum sum assured, maximum no limit. The minimum is for 4,000 USD. 8 years is the entry age, 65 years the maximum age. So they say entry age is important. And third is very, very important, is a minimum term is 10 years, maximum is 35. So now these three things you can frame in your mind so that whenever you sit with your clients for any saving ideas, you will have this tools, you will have this bracket in your mind so that you can participate in a proper planning. Flexible premium payments now have a 3 premium payment terms, 5 years, 7 years, and full term equals to PPT. Now, how the benefits are linked with that. So first of all, let us start with the death benefits. Death benefit is a before commencement of risk. How before commencement of risk is how defined, I'll tell you. But when before commencement of risk is, premium paid till date of death will be refunded to the nominee. Whatever premium you pay, you will be refunded. And mostly before commencement comes only when it is a child plan. So commencement of risk is for minor life only. Risk will start after completion of 2 years of policies. So first 2 years, if death of the child happens, so only return of premium will be done. But after 2 years, the full sum assured is guaranteed, and whatever bonus is paid, that is commencement of risk is like full sum assured plus reversionary bonus accrued as on date of death. So this is the simple understanding. Earlier also it is the same. So now also it is death benefit is similar. Now maturity benefit is same, sum assured plus accrued bonus. Sum assured is guaranteed from day one. Accrued bonus will be declared every year. And what is accrued bonus? That is a reversionary bonus which is declared every year by company. Once declared, it is added in policy account and payable at maturity. Somebody should not confuse that bonus will be paid every year means everywhere paid to the customer. No, it is added in the policy accounts whenever it is due, either in case of death or end of the term is maturity. So entire amount, sum assured plus bonus will be paid to the client. Now, you know how bonus is defined in LIC. I have already conducted one pre-seminar in the month of, I think, July, where I have given you how bonus is defined in LIC. So bonus part here is, we have 3 types of bonus. One bonus is annual reversionary bonus, which is declared every year, and that always customer have a beauty of taking a higher return based on the future rates. Current rates, every year we get the valuation of the product, valuation of our investment yield. So in future investment yield gets increased, we are bound to get a higher return. There is additional bonus which gives LIC at the end of the term, which is final addition or terminal bonus. This comes after when we have a good death claim ratio of company. So the mortality premium what we LIC have, if that gets a benefit end of the term, so based on that, that is transferred to the customer. So we being a charitable company, I personally see even in India also and here also, we are not a profit making company. It's a non-profit making company. Whatever profit generates from the management is being transferred to the customer as a benefit. And third is a guaranteed bonus added in sum assured. So sum assured, like you pay premium of 90,000, your sum assured 100,000. So 10,000 is by default actuaries have added in the sum assured. So from day one, your full sum assured is guaranteed. That is called a capital guarantee, which always say when your premium is lesser than what is sum assured, so always there is a capital is guaranteed, more than that is guaranteed. If you see the past record, we have a very excellent track record of commitment and delivery in last 30 years. Now there is a surrender benefit. Earlier, if you remember, surrender was very loss making for first 3 years, almost like losing your money, only 30% of the premium paid. But now after 2 full years, premium have been paid.
Leave karta, don't leave it.
Driving mode.
Please mute yourself if you are speaking in between. Don't disturb others also. After 2 full years premium has been paid. It means if full term premium is there, so if somebody pays 2 premiums, yani second year also if 2 premiums have been paid, he is eligible for surrender of the policies. Earlier it was only after 2 years of policies and 3 years of policy for full term. Now even full term, limited term, if 2 premiums have been paid, like when you start the policy, you paid 1 premium. After 1 year, you pay the 1 renewal premiums. After that, you're eligible for surrender also. So what is the surrender value paid? So during full term policies, Second year to 7th year, you get a 70% of premium paid. And from 8th year onwards, it is 80% of premium paid. But limited term, if you see, from second year to end of the premium, like you choose a 5 years premium, so second year to 5 years, you get a 80% of premium paid. But after premium payment is over, you get a 95% of premium paid. There is another caveat here. This is a guaranteed surrender value. There is another caveat which say provision of a special surrender value is also given by LIC, because you know LIC is not taking money. LIC wanted to give the money back. So whatever bonus is accrued in the year of the investments, that plays at a special surrender value clause. So if you see the illustration, new illustration chart of LIC, there is a non-guaranteed column in which there is a special surrender value mentioned. And what is that surrender value? Special is guaranteed is 95%, but beyond that, every year whatever bonus is getting added, that is becoming a part of your special surrender value. And that why it is put in non-guaranteed, because a special surrender value is based on the bonus we declare by LIC, and which is not guaranteed, which is every year we have to declare and show it. So this is how illustrations are being designed. So friends, there is another liquidity of loan is also provided in the policy. Same after 2 full years premium have been paid, 80% of surrender value. So after 2 years, you have 80% of surrender value of premium. So almost 64% of premium you can take loan also. So for providing your emergency security, if someone has already paid a high premium, he wants to take some money and utilize for some emergency purpose, so that loan availability is there. I think this was a very important part during this pandemic. When the lockdown started, I have seen most of the businessmen, those who are paying a very high amount to LIC, they come for the loan. We provided them the security for next 6 months, 1 year at a simple interest rates, so that immediately fund can be taken out, and after that it can be repaid back. So this is how the flexibility is available. That makes this plan is a very important in current segments. It's anybody who is wanted to start the saving at early year of career, I think this is an important concept which has been in front of them, especially in US dollar denominations. Now the change in current plan, with respect to old plans, there is additional change in limited payment of 7 years. Entry age has been reduced to 8 years, maturity till 75 years. Minimum term of the plan has increased to 10 years. No commutation facility as of now. Like when you used to pay 5 years premium together at one go, as of now, there is no commutation facility is given, because there is some clarification required from IA about the treating now commutation as a single premium, but ceiling can be allowed. Means you can pay as a ceiling rate. So discount will be less, but you can pay in advance. No repatriation of policy to India as of now. As of now, because the new rules are saying that you have to first get the permission from the country in which policy is being transferred. Like in India, I have to take permission from IRDA to design a plan in such a way that it is matching with our plan. Then only that repatriation will be allowed of the policy. So we are already in tie-up with our parent company, LIC of India. Sooner or later it may come. So as of now, there is nothing, this facility is available on these policies. New policy bond we have designed, not like a one pager of policy documents. Now we have also coming up with a new policy documents of booklet form, like international arena. We have every products will have a booklets that will be benefit illustrations, that will be the terms and condition of policy. It will be available even before selling of the policies. Only schedules will be printed later on after completion of policy. So you can have an access of policy documents also in advance, so that the customer can have a more transparency to understand the different conditions, different benefits, different in detail if somebody wants to study. Because I have faced this in last 1 year in joint calls marketing here. I have seen most of the customer were looking for, even if we are giving him guarantee, they want to know, can you show me the policy documents, how it will look like. So this had came into my idea to change the policy documents thoroughly. It was a Herculean task for us, but we have made it possible. It is already in the printing stage, so you will get the policy documents also booklet form, and there is a new benefit illustrations. I think benefit illustrations I will cover in the later part. Let me come to the another plan on just analysis. See, I'm giving you how this plan, for an example. Let us take any plan. This I have taken an age of 30-35 of sum assured of 100,000. If they choose $10 of premium, $10 of bonus. Let me go to the benefit illustration of this plan, and then we'll be able to give you some highlights on this. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
you can see that. Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. I think the Excel file is, this is a problem sometimes with the technologies, but anyway. Okay. Now, are you able to see the Excel sheets?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. See, this is Excel sheets. I'll just try to give, so similar Excel sheets are prepared. As of now, this is temporary arrangement. Slowly, we are in discussion with the IA to formulate in a better strategy. Guaranteed plans, we could understood it can be much better. But on this plan, just I'll give you one idea. This is the green part where you can change. And wherever is this a green background, this is editable. You can change. You can put the name of the customer. You can put the age of the customers. You can choose here the sum assured. Sum assured, anything you can choose. DAB you can choose. You can put a 0 also if there is no DAB. Here there is a 3 premium mode: full term, limited term 5 years, and limited term 7 years. So let us take 5 years. You have mode of premium is like yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly. You can choose the term. Term based on 10 to 35. Let us take 15 years of term. So any term you can choose from 10 to 35. Rest everything is already adjusted. You don't have to do anything. So let us come to the this below this chart only. This is a very important to understand, friends. As per the illustrations which we have to show, first let us understand top part. This is a benefit illustration. These 3 columns is a guaranteed part. This is a non-guaranteed part, which we have to give 2 illustrations based on EBOR plus 4%. So we have taken it 3.5% and 4% based on the below side of our future yield. That is 3.5% and 4% of investment. This is projected, whatever you are seeing, where this is addition of some bonus rates in that. And this total guaranteed plus non-guaranteed is this plus this is equals to this. So here if you see 100,000 sum assured we have taken. So from day one, death benefit of 100,000 is guaranteed. Maturity benefit is also guaranteed 100,000. And surrender value is getting changed. If you see the first in limited payment term, it was 80% of first 2 years of premium. So first 2 years is 38 of 80%, that comes to 31. So this is a surrender benefit which is guaranteed. So if somebody pay almost 94, 95, 96,000 of premium in 5 years, so after 5 years, 93,532 is a guaranteed surrender value from this policy. So is hardly something is lost because that is covered in the insurance coverage which is provided by the company. Now here annual chart has been given. This is based on $10 of sum assured, which I was giving the chart. This is $10, and I think this is a rock bottom on which this plan is designed. This I personally see this will never be less than that. This is 4% is a $13. So based on that, EBOR plus 4%, we come with the $10 and $13 is rates. So based on this is a death benefit which is increasing. If you see $1,000 every year is a bonus being added after 1 year. Like after 1 year, 1,000 means 100,000 was a sum assured, $10 is a rate. So 10 into per 1,000 sum assured is 1,000. Similarly, here it is 13, and this plus this comes here as a projected benefit. So this part is a selling part in the customer's mind. So this is how the total maturity will come. This is how the total maturity and surrender value changes here. So let us come to the presentations on that part and try to give you how that is going to benefit exactly the customer's yield chart. Okay. So friends, this is benefit illustrations. Are you able to see my presentation? No?
Yes, Pradeep, we can see that. Now,
Yes,
now
yes.
gone back
Okay.
to the presentation yet.
I'll again,
Yes, this is the benefit illustration. Yes.
yeah. So now here I am giving you a general idea, friends. If $10, because you see the current, I'll tell you that is the sellability is the last part. So I'll tell you how market is behaving today, what is the bond rate and how we have to compete in this product, especially in guaranteed segment. That is one of the reason no other company has brought any guaranteed return plan. LIC being a very, very transparent and futuristic organization has taken dare to bring this product. So let us take a rock bottom of $10 also. This is what we are going to get after 20 years. That comes to IRR, which is a CAGR of 1.56%. If current bonus rates is $10, if we personally believe that this is the rock bottom. In future, everything is now started coming up. If you see the securities yield in the October and September, there is a difference of 25% more rates we are getting now. So $15, if it comes to almost 2%. If it is $20, it will be more than 2.5%, and 25 almost reaching to 2.88. If you see the past history of our bonus, friends, if in current rate also, CAGR of current rate in US dollar 256 is much better than any parallel capital guaranteed plans in UAE. I'll come to the comparison, then we can understand whether 2.5% and 1.5% it is competitive or not competitive. So what are the things we can do? Unique selling points here is, friends, this is a US dollar non-linked plan, no fear of capital erosion. And why I told you one sentence, don't compare with the old rates, because I told you in 2015 only the product has to be withdrawn and come aligned with the new market. But we try to convince the regulatory part here that we try to, being a GCC company, let us give an options to invest everywhere, but that has not happened now. So for last couple of years, we are forced to invest here, and that is one of the reason. Now you can't compare with the old products with the current rate, because old products were having a different securities. Even that product was available in a different country as of now. Number one. Number two, you cannot compare this product with the Indian market also, because we are dealing with the developed currency here. Let us be very clear on this. USD non-linked plan, no fear of capital erosion. Sum assured guaranteed on the maturity as well as in the case of death during the term. Bonus is declared every year. It is giving percentage of sum assured. The average annualized yield of more than 2% in USD in current regime is still a very high return. Once declared, bonus is added in the policy account, it becomes guaranteed. Flexibility in premium payments, claims maturity payments in desired currency as it is how we are paying now. Easy financing, loan available. And friends, planned under the most trusted brand LIC in this market, where 70-75% of investor is Indian. Always the brand LIC has a very soft corner for them if you pitch it in a right manner. Has always in a UAE market in segment of guaranteed ratio return plan. And this is a trust we own. Even in the era of 90s, $17, we increased to 32, then we reducing to the current pandemic to $10, $12. Now again, the future will be better, and this company will bounce back to the better return to the customers based on the future returns. So this is how the this pen is there. Now the second plan I'll come, and then I'll come to the questions of pen in a later part. Second plan is a new PEP. This is again old PEP, which was the one of the best sold plan during this closure period, is a non-linked, non-participating guaranteed return plan. So I'll come to the guaranteed part here, how the plan is designed. We have slightly changed here also. Sum assured has been increased. Earlier was 5,000, now it is $10,000 minimum sum assured. Maximum was 250,000 earlier, now increased to $500,000. 0 to 13 years of age of bracket of the child. Term is fixed because it is maturing at 23. Policy term is, this is not 23 minus age of the child. That will be the term of the policy. Suppose if child is 5 years, so 18 years will be the total term of the policies. Premium term is single. This is single is also there. 5 years limited is also there. And full term is 18 minus age of the child, because after 18 the benefit starts. All mode of premium is there. Half yearly, quarterly, monthly, single, whatever mode is earlier available, that is also available. How policy benefits are there? Same, we kept the same benefit which was there in the old plan. 20% of sum assured from child says 18 to 22, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, the 5 years, 20% of sum assured is paid. And the 6th year, so we are especially working on the concept of 4+2. 4 is a professional education, 2 is a post-graduation. So 4+2 concepts where parents is looking for a guaranteed return plan. I personally see this has to be guaranteed return because based on your age of the child, your event is very surely going to happen. So you can't go on investments or anything which is not guaranteed and volatile investments. So paid on 23 years at 25 per thousand sum assured, same guaranteed rates we have put it, and a loyalty addition at end of the term. Premium paid in 5 years, full term or single premium. PWB is additional riders we have also allowed in this policy at a, I'll tell you, with the old rates and this rate, we have almost reduced more than 70% of PWB benefit premiums. So almost 70% has been reduced now. So proposer up to 50 years can take PWB benefit. All future premiums in case of death of the proposers will be waived. We have removed family protection benefit in that. So kindly just bear in mind, risk of child after 7 years of age and 2 years from DOC, whichever is later. So this is how the plan benefits, which is almost equals to the old benefits. Let us come to directly the calculations part. I have taken age of the child is 0. Age of the proposer is 30 years. First column is no rider. So if you don't take any riders, so what benefits you are going to get? And what rider? If you see the difference between the premium, it is hardly $53. You are giving 100,000 of premium where benefit. Earlier it was more than 300 premium. So this is huge difference now in premium where benefit. And this is a single premium premium. So if you see 0 to 4, up to 0 is we started the premium. 5 years he pays the premium from 18, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 for 5 years, and guaranteed addition plus LA is 59,500. This comes to 2.39 CAGR, friends, guaranteed annualized growth rate of this plan, which is being guaranteed on the policy documents. If you choose PWB, hardly 0.01% difference in CAGR. This is what return. And in single premium, there is a lesser return. Why? This is you try to understand how the current pandemic, even single premium was not even allowed to bring it also. We can't afford to bring. Then also I tried to bring the single premium, even if the return is 0.13 basis less. Why? Because if you give entire premium today, the investment team have a very low security yield investment. So that is one of the reasons this will be coming on future parts, so that will have a better returns. Considering that future applicability of investment yield, we designed this product with a very, very difficult task. So friends, as of now, still I believe this is a very high return. PWB in case of death of the proposer during the premium paying term, future premiums are waived. So 2.39, 2.38, 2.66 is a guaranteed annualized yield of this plan. Even if you go for 5 years also, it is still 2.25, 2.26, not very much difference. I'm leaving benefit illustration here. It is the same kind of that. You can have a practice on that. Let me have the USPs of the plans. Friends, again, there is a guaranteed plan in USD, and hardly you will find any instrument in this market of guaranteed return of more than 2 and 2.4%. Guaranteed payout of higher education from age 18 to 23. CAGR of more than 2.5% in USD in current regime is still very high return. Flexibility in premium payments, claims maturity payments in desired currency, easy liquidity, very high surrender value, so no capital loss after PPT. Plan under the most trusted brand. LIC has always the edge in UAE market, friends. Now, why LIC is new PIP? I give you 3 reasons, which is I personally say that this is a final punch. Friends, for a children's professional education planning or higher education planning, guaranteed financial plan is must. Why? To meet child expenses, because market-linked savings will be highly risky. If you really study the mutual fund market or any equity-linked market, even 10 years, I can give you plenty of things. Even 10 years, 80% of scribes are not giving return of more than 3.5%, 4% in INR. Forget about in dollars. Dollars is almost like a capital is in this pandemic. If somebody has to join in this 2020 in 18th for start the education of professional, if the market is not performing, you can't postpone admission to college just because market conditions are not favorable. So I personally see this has to be guaranteed from this plan. So because we are embossing the guaranteed return in USD, so that is one punch. Second was very important, friends. Savings in dollars always enables you to fund child's education globally. So those who are NRI, they always look for dollar investments to diversify their foreign currencies account, and in turn they get a better return. Even their education going in the West for a study, dollar currency investments will give you the better return. And third is very, very important, friends. That is insurance. Finance to education needs to be guaranteed even if you are not going to be there, even in case of your unfortunate death, and it should not be burden to your family members. For all the other instrument, wherever you have to pay, the PWB is not there. So you have to pay premium for your child's education benefit. So this is beauty, and which I personally see the uncertainty of the above. If the parent is not available, I personally see the answer of the above is to planning with life insurance policies. And PEP is one of the best scheme in this current market. USD return of more than 2.40 is a very high return in today's market with premium waiver benefits. Now I'm coming to the plan number 3. I'll come to the question answer sessions. If you have any questions, you can write it down and put it in chat box. I'll take in the later end of the sessions. Now this is a third plan, which is single premium plan, guaranteed return cashback plan. This is new Future Bright. Earlier it was Future Bright. So 9 years plan. You must have seen the old plans also. The new plans also, we have come up with some innovations, some features. Same 15 to 60 years of age, 69 maturity, 20,000 is a minimum sum assured. 9 years is a policy term, single premium lump sum. Survival benefit, how plan benefits are there. 10% of sum assured is paid at end of 3rd year and 6th year, and maturity on 9th year you give 102% of sum assured guaranteed plus loyalty addition if any declared by the company to be payable of 70 years of age. Now commencement same, minor life after 2 years and major life immediate it starts. The beauty here is in case of risk is started, full sum assured is payable without deduction of any survival benefit paid in between. Means suppose if your survival benefit is paid after 3rd year or 6th year, if death happens 7th year, that 20,000 is not deducted. So 20,000 is extra which will be paid. So 100,000 will be paid to the nominee. So this is how insurance is covered for the whole life. This is the benefit illustration. I think this will make you very easy. Now this is 35 years, 100,000 sum assured, premium comes to 96,858. We give 10,000 in the first year, 3rd year. After 3rd year, for 6th year, 10,000, and maturity 102% of premium. And that comes to, I put it 0 as a loyalty addition, as a 0. I'm not declared, but there will be some good loyalty addition considering future yield. Friends, still it is giving 2.5%, and 2.5%, and that too on death of the life assured before the stupidity date of maturity 100,000. Survival benefits given will not be deducted from death claim payment. So this is a very good plan if somebody is looking for short term, utilizing the cashback as a liquidity for emergency fund or some other benefits, securing their capital in dollars with a good return of plan. I think this is one of the best scheme for a 9 years term available as of now. Not much difference from the old segments. Surrender benefit is very high, friends. After 1 year only from DOC, full term 2 to 9 years, 95% of premium paid less any survival benefit paid, and a special provision is given to surrender value where you will find after 3 years you get a full capital back. So there will not be any lose in capital after 2nd year or after 3 years of policies. So 100% capital. This is a very good investment tools. In case of surrender also, you can choose, you can have a hands-on practice on this. What is USP? Short-term, single premium capital guaranteed policies, guaranteed return cashback plan, fixed term 9 years. Survival benefit after 3rd and 6th year is 10% of sum assured to provide need-based cashback for fulfilling the sure events. Like you decided after 3 years some amount is required for my children education. So securing your capital in 3rd year, that can be utilized. 6th year something can be utilized. Maturity is 102% of plus LA. Death benefit is guaranteed for wholesome. Death sum assured does not reduce even after payment of survival benefit after 3rd and 6th year. Loan and surrender after 1 year, very attractive rates. Why should you focus, friends? I personally see this is most handy when FCR rates are on decreasing side, customer looking for guaranteed returns, easy liquidity in this plan after 1 year. Annualized yield of more than 2.5% is very competitive in today's market, especially amongst guaranteed wordings plan. plan has the capacity to bring very high volume of investments, friends. If you do not focus, this will definitely go to bank. At a low yield also, customer will invest in bank. Shift bank deposits in this plan and earn incentive as an additional. I'm sure this will add value to your regular income. This is not a bread butter. This is just a topping of the cake. I think it is not a percentage of commission target. We have not reduced any percentages in single premium policies. Target absolute amount of commission which can be generated in millions of premium has already brought in the old scheme, and this is also again a very competitive. Remember, friends, if you don't go, someone else will surely talk about this and may disturb your client base also. Now this was third. Now coming to the fourth point is retirement plans. We have two retirement plans, immediate pensions and deferred pension. This is also lump sum investment, friends. One is 259, offering 2.64% of entire life with a return of capital. That is immediate. You invest today, from next month, your pension starts for the whole life. The minimum return guaranteed is 2.64% from day one for remaining 60 years. If you start at 40 years. Plan 260, old plan was 250. So same deferred annuity plans, almost 3% to 5% per annum based on the deferred period you choose, 3 to 10 years. So entire life pension will be paid with the facility. Some of the facility I'll tell you. Friends, what should be the retirement strategy, especially after global pandemic? And have you seen the entire market has crashed, even market has rebounded in a week up. Then also instruments there are certain segments, certain sector oriented scribes has come up, but most of the scribes which has been a large cap has been still in a doldrums. I personally see retirement definition has to be, it is my own definition, you may differ, but I personally see when I will retire, I want my income every month without having to think where I have invested. What happens to my assets? Where I've invested now, and then I'm relaxed and sitting. I'm every day, first day of the month, I'm getting this amount in my account, this much amount, without thinking whether it is a high risk, low risk, medium risk, large cap, mid cap, market movements, government regulations, this change, that change, nothing going to happen. Retire in Dubai. This is a new concept has come. I think this is one of the best approved plan, understood plan for that segment also. What happens to my estate? So after retirement, what can be? Expenses. You have two expenses. That is the fixed expenses, and there will be variable expenses. Fixed expenses means you say that you need to have a shelters. There are certain entertainment expenses like medical expenses. There are fixed expenses to live with, and there are variable expenses based on your lifestyle. You can have changing cars every second year. You can visit foreign tours, etc. ABCD and all. But I personally see when you plan for retirement, it cannot be only one instrument. There has to be pyramid understood here. I personally see the correct strategy is to secure your fixed investments expenses after retirement through capital return asset class only, and where in UAE market we have the only company, something you should know, we are the only company who provides a guaranteed annuity for life in UAE. No other company can afford to give for the whole life based on your age. Suppose you are 35 years, annuity starts 40, we give next 60 long years or till you survive, we'll give the same rate of return. I think this is no one other than LIC of India. LIC of India owned company, LIC International here in UAE. So presenting annuity, friends, it's a guaranteed income plan, a non-linked, non-participating single premium plan offering two annuities, that is immediate pensions, and the second is a deferred pension. Immediate means from immediately if you want pension to start, so and second is deferred, which is exclusively unique, special and guaranteed. So first I'll talk about the unit, certain features on this. Friends, the minimum rate of interest at age 40 is 2.64% per annum, guaranteed for almost 60 long years with 100% capital guarantee, number one. Number two, minimum investment is 15,000. Entry age is 40, maximum entry age is 75. This you should know. I'll give you just an idea on this presentations. If you see 100,000 somebody pays is 50. 4.12, there are various options in this plans, and this starting with 4% to in a different rate, 2.63, 3.4, different rates, but two options, C and F is more important to study here. Rest is also important. So I'll come with this seat. This will give you. So the A option means annuity for life, but after your death, nothing is paid back to the nominee. So means you are not paying back the capital back to the annuitant. So only two which is mentioned in pink. C and F is having capital return to the nominee in case of demise of the annuitant. Other than the above, there is a certain part where capital is not returned. B 5, 10, 15, 20 is very simple. Like B20 you choose. So if 40 years of age, 3492 is a guaranteed pension, 3.5%. So he will continue to get 3.5% for the whole life, and after this that nothing is paid. But if he dies even before 20 years of the policy, then also remaining, like he died after 50 years. So 15 years remaining is left, that will be paid to the nominee. So 50 years guaranteed means minimum 20 years of guaranteed annuity will be paid to the nominee, to the customer, even if he die or alive. If he alive more than 20, till his life he is going to get. D is annuity for life with a provision of 100% annuity to a spouse. So you get 100% annuity yourself and your spouse, but nothing is paid back in case of death. So if you choose 70 years of some old life, 5% guaranteed we are giving. I personally find Europeans and mostly those who doesn't have like Indian mindset to transfer the legacy, I think A life is giving you almost 65%. In 60 years, 5%, 65, 6%, 70, 7%, 75, 9%. Like Mr. Nick is with us, he will be getting 6% guaranteed in US dollar for the whole life of his retirements. Nothing is back to the capital. So if somebody like who believes that their family is settled, so they are not looking for 1%, 2%, they look for high return, they may go for that return also. Similarly, with your spouse, you can secure for the same returns. E is you get a more and your wife get a 50%, but after that no capital. And F is you get same return, wife also gets the same return, and then capital is also refunded to the nominee. So two important, which is mostly dominated the market in the last old plan, was basically Indian. When you target Indian market, there is always return of purchase. You can't forget the capital. But there are people who, I personally sold 5 millions, 10 millions, where there was only A option. They look for only guaranteed return for whole life. So 6%, 7%, no return of capital. So these two parts, annuity rates, almost 2.64% is a guaranteed for the whole life to both the lives, and return of capital to the nominee. Now, major changes in only surrender part. Surrender is allowed only in C and F. Now surrender is allowed after 1 year. Guaranteed SB is 90% of purchase price, but LIC always give you a special surrender value, which is also like a guaranteed unless it is changed by the company. So that is 95%. So even if you surrender after 2 years of policy, you get a 95% of purchase price anytime during the term of the policies. Like 10 years you have taken pension, and after that you want to come out of the scheme, you get a 95% capital back and the policy is surrendered. Subject to conditions we mentioned because of the regulatory, because it should not be mis-selling. Annuities should not be sold as a FD plan. So we put a clause, there has to be request, official request from the customer in with some reasons, like going back from the country or some marriage, some house building, anything which is related to that fund, that can be taken back. Annuity rates is higher. This is a new change, friends. Lower age has a more annuity rates, maybe minute change, but there is a more range. Unlike opposite that, older age is having more rates. Joint life have more annuity rates than single life. This is another new change now. Friends, liquidity you have seen. So money is not locked. So no annuity in international market provides liquidity, especially annuity plans, friend, except LIC. So believe me, this is also we are available for a short term. Even if regulatory changes comes, we also have to withdraw this liquidity part. But you have to start selling till the time policy can be sold. It will be applicable to the current rules. Now the last plan is, friends, defer annuity plans. That is plan number 260. This entry age is 35, same like old, maximum 70. Pension should start from 40 age. Minimum guaranteed is 2.97%, guaranteed for almost 60 years for 3 years of defer, 3 to 10. The rate is increasing with age and defer period. This is what chart is in front of us, friends. 1 million if somebody invests 60 years of age. So 3% to 4.35% for single life, and 3% to 4% is a with spouse life. What is defer annuity benefits in that? During death, during defer period, friends, premium plus accrued guaranteed addition. Like you choose a 5 years defer period. So if somebody dies during 5 years, what will happen? So whatever you pay the premium, every year 1% will be increased. So if you die on the 4th year, you get a 104% of the capital and policy is finished. But if you die after deferred period means when pension starts, you get a 105% of premium if you choose defer of 3 to 5 years, or if you choose more than 5 years from 6 to 10, you get 110% flat of premium. Joint life also the same rule happens. There is no change in the single life and joint life. Only the both life has to die for getting the death benefits. If you see the understanding the marketing point here, friends, if somebody choose 50 years, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is a deferred period. He's starting with 2.95 to 4%. How much if somebody invests 1 million, he's going to get? This is for single life and this is for guaranteed, and this is for joint life, which is also guaranteed. So you can use as a card for selling this plan in the market. Here also there is a major change in surrender value. We make it more lucrative now. Guaranteed, earlier it was 90 only, and then from 2 to 5 it was 92, then 5 to there was change. So now it is 95% after first year. Now there is a special surrender value also. From second year to increase by 1%. Second year will increase till 5 years 11%, and after 5 years it will increase by 2.5% for each subsequent years for deferment period. I'll give you an example, then you will understand better. This is how you understood. So if choose 3 years of deferred period, so after deferred period, if you surrender, you get a 96%. Anytime you surrender, you get 96. Suppose you choose a deferred period of 6 years. So anytime after 6 years, if you surrender this policy, you will get 100.5% of premium paid, and policy will be surrendered anytime. There is no increasing. This will stop after this limit. After deferred period, it is a stop. So if you choose a 10 years, you get 110.5%. So after 10 years, suppose you take 10 years of pension and around 4.5%, and after that you surrender, you get 110% of capital back. Friends, the objective of this plan is to provide liquidity under dire circumstances and not to encourage surrender as a fixed deposit scheme. Please believe me, this always annuity when you are selling, let us not sell it as a FD plan. It is just a facility given in case of emergency to come out of the scheme. It is not to be sold as a surrender plan on this. So finally, friends, in bunch of USPs here, one-time investments, guaranteed income for very long time, 2 options, multiple annuity options for different needs, age 35 to 75, spouse as a joint life annuitants, death benefit and payment options, surrender facility, a very high guaranteed return in USD. Now, friends, selling smarter, not harder. This was a plan. Now, let us come to positioning. Friends, first of all, you have to think big. Let us not think 15,000, 20,000, 50,000 for selling annuity plans. Okay, 9 years is okay. Pen is okay. But here you should look for millions, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million of premium, and that is going to come. So big presentations, when you so big, then only the annuity amounts will be available for them. So what do you believe? The truth is, remember our friends, current return is still much more than market instruments. How? I'll tell you some of things. Do you feel this return in the USD's current rate is less? Many of you will be thinking less because you must be thinking old, 1 month old, our old returns and this return. Please understand, I'll told you the compliance burden. That is another things. Now, all our LIC products are in real world of LIC international market of UAE. We are now not a virtual product. Now it is a real product and real market. We are competing with the real products of this industry only. So first of all, I'll tell you US dollar benchmarks and how it was more return in previous segments. You see, I'm giving you 4 years of this graph. If you see the benchmark return, I'm talking about the benchmark rate. It can be more than 2.5%, 3%. More than that is always the securities yield we are getting in USD. You see in 2018, 2017, almost like 3%. US 3 years maturity period, there's a 5 years maturity was very high. If you see 5 years was getting almost like 3%. This is the benchmark of USD. So we were getting 6% of coupons also. So friends, understand now it is a totally collapsed. Collapse means less than 0.5%. Treasury rates, if you see from March also, because of the change in the federal rates, it is continuously in decline. If you see the old rates and current rates, and how earlier we were still in the low graded country, we used to get high securities, and that is one of the reason we continued the product. But now since we have forced to invest here and we have to mark in the current market, so let us switch our marketing strategy accordingly. If you see this, in the last 1 year, there is 130% reduction in yield in 1 year, 70% reduction in first quarter of this year, friends. This is how treasury yields are plunging. So it's not that we are only reducing the interest rates of our policy, but still offering a very high rate. Let us understand USD bond yields. Friends, this is, I am talking about the USD treasury yields. Beyond that, you can have a spread of 2%, 2.5%. So now, as of now, it is less than 0.5% treasury rates. And that is giving you any securities in that competing with which is high secured bond, high secure investments. Always, you cannot invest less than AA plus. So you need to have a very lesser return securities available for us in any of the USD markets. The most important competition we have is, friend, FCNR rates. Do you know the latest FCNR rates? This is 1st November effective FCNR rates, friends. If you see SDFC, the top banks, I have put it on the chronology of 5 years, friends. SDFC, Kotak Mahindra, ICICI, Axis Bank, State Bank, Union Bank, less than 1%, almost like SDFC Bank is like a 0%. SDFC Bank, Kotak Bank is not even giving an interest. They are not charging money to keep you in dollar, but I think they will charge money. Friends, keep your microphone is mute mode because you are unnecessarily disturbing. ICICI Bank is 0.066%. It has reduced to 0.5% in last reason in October. Slightly, they have seen modest increase in the 5 years term. They have decreased in the first year term. If you see in the first year term, very reduced because they see in 1 year, 2 year, it's very difficult to get a good return. But if you see in a higher mode, there is a slightly increase in the longer term because we also predict in the long term you can get a very high return. IndusInd Bank, which is always, you will be seeing the news of very crisis, many other things. I'm not going on detail on that. That is also because if they're offering high return, it means there is a liquidity crisis. So at that point, if you believe that is also maximum is 1.7%. Friends, this is what customers have been offering in US dollar to US dollar now. Let us come back to real truth is, friends, real truth, SDFC Kotak is almost 0%. They have not charged. If future continues for 6 months like this, they will charge 0.5% from you to keeping money in US dollar in SDFC Bank. Top bank like SBI, ICICI, SDFC and Kotak Bank is offering less than 0.6% of 5 years. All due to uncertainty of future USD market. You have seen yesterday the result of US elections. I think there will be certain certainties coming up and that will improve the further rates and we will surely improve our investment sales rates also. So friends, in this market, LIC International is still continue to offer. Friends, I speak data. I don't speak emotional part. There are other instruments available where risk is borne by the customer. You may get a high securities with the leverage part from the bank. Friends, then there is a risk. Bank invest in certain unsecured bonds, which is BB minus BB plus. And there, who is bearing the risk? If that company is not able to perform, you are bearing the risk. Here, you are not bearing any risk. LIC is taken all risk on his head because LIC is giving you a stamped guaranteed on the policy document. So LIC is bearing the risk in other part of the instrument, in other hedging policies of bank, you are taking the risk. Now let us come to the country wise. In this UAE market, what is FD rates are available for you in USD and AD. You will be surprised to see, I don't know how many of you have known or not known. You see, this is what rate as of now. I have taken out on 22nd October effective of Emirates NBD. It is 0%. If you invest 5 years also, you will not get any interest in this market. ADCB, that too also prevalence account, the 500 days you get hardly 0.22%, 0.22%, which is far less than any of the other instruments available. RAK Bank, almost like 1%, but in USD, if you see, if you invest more than $200,000, you get a 0.9%, not even touching 1 year, friends. So you try to understand this part. You are in the bank. There is another bank, which is foreign banks, is HSBC banks. This is giving you 0.05. You try to understand these bankers are not able to give this return. So from where customer will generate the high returns? From where they don't have any options if you are talking on the real world. So either they will go on a risky investments of ULIPs or risky investments of equity market, or they will look for LIC for a guaranteed return of 2.5%. So believe me, 2019 global recession plus COVID has directly affected the investment yield of fixed income instrument where LIC International exposed their funds for long term. And that is one of the reasons we have slightly reduced. We have seen the drastic reductions in the interest rates in most of the schemes. The truth is, friends, as in today, Ask yourself, LIC International still offers competitive best return in guaranteed and assured investment products in whole market. So before talking to customer friends, you have to understood, you have to make yourself understood without comparing my old products of LIC. Don't compare it, please. Now we are in a real world. Let us this product and match with the available instruments in the market. So friends, takeaways of the session is, I still believe our new plans is very competitive in return deliveries. There is a scope of future improvement in the form of loyalty additions, reductions in commission, approximate 25-30%. We have reduced that too. Reduction in the first place is not because of certain reason. It is because of adjusting some good sellable product in the market. But we have we have distributed commission from 4th to 5th year. Earlier it was 1st, 2nd, 3rd. The fake news which has been in the market that LIC has drastically reduced 60% is totally fake. It is fake. I'm the authority on LIC. I can tell you maximum it is 30%, not more than that. Because certain first year commission has been 50% maximum you can give. So that has been distributed in 4th and 5th year. Still our rates is much better than expected. Can be supplemented with 2 and 2.5% additional through initial competition prices. Total revenue can be achieved by doing more business. So I'm not talking about how to improve the business skills. We can have a separate session for that. Don't compare new plans with the old plan. For God's sake, don't compare the premiums. Don't compare the rates. Please let us have, this is the new plan launched. You don't know the old market. You are in the current market. Understand and sell it. Because the time and energy you will spend in understanding and comparing old plan, every customer is new. Those who have taken in the past, they have taken in that era. Now the current customer is new. You have to face him. You have to understand this is the product available. This is the market product available. Compare it and then sell it. Let us not make negativity among LIC's own schemes. We are now in new market. Capital guarantee and real returns should be the selling punch now. And I still believe with all this, it's a new beginning. I started with the new beginning. So let us treat it as a new beginning of our career. Let us not go any very negative. Friends, irrespective of bad times have been, bad time always pass. So whatever challenges you are facing, this is initial hiccups in the challenges of BOD 49. It will be used to everyone. Good financial coach will be renowned in the market. They will get a good customer. But if you don't improve your marketing techniques, if you don't improve your core skills, if you don't be patient and persistence in the market, you are not disciplined in selling activities, you are not thinking for customers' benefits and giving a real advice, I think you will be kicked out from the market. So better improve on that. Have 3 things important: patience, persistence and core skills, and finally bit of luck. I think friends, this is what my session was today. I love to receive your questions, and then I'll stop my screen, and then I'll try to give certain answers whatever possible.
Dr. Pradeep, I'm Zafar here. First question.
Yeah, please Zafar, go ahead.
Regarding plan number 256, the pen plan.
Yeah.
You were saying there is no repatriation.
Yeah.
So what happens if a client, an Indian client, goes back to India, and when the plan is maturing?
Yeah, he has to send the policy documents to UAE, and the maturity will be settled in any currency in which we want.
Okay. Second one, plan number 259, immediate pension.
Yeah.
You were saying that lump sum paid today and the next month onwards he gets interest, or is it next year?
Next, if you choose monthly mode, it will be next month. If you choose yearly mode of pension, it will be next year.
No. Let's say he puts a single premium this month, November. When will
if
the
he
pension
puts today,
start?
yeah, I'll make it very clear. If today is now 8th of November,
Right.
if you put it today 8th November $1 million.
Yeah.
If you choose monthly payout, which is the annuity payments, you have to choose the options of annuity payments: monthly, quarterly, half yearly. If you choose monthly, so after 8th December, you will get the first check. And from 8th December, you will get the first check. Then every 8th, you will getting every check. But sometimes for convenience, we make it first of the month. So you may get a first check on 1st December, but after that, every first month, 1st December, that will have 2 checks. One is for this month and another for 22 days. So 1st December, every year, you will be getting the checks.
No, do you mean December 2020 or 2021?
20.
Okay, fine.
After
and then,
30 days, if you choose monthly mode, Jafar, so you get after just 30 days.
Okay. And coming to deferred annuity 260, let's say a guy has taken a 3-year deferment.
Okay.
He takes the annuity every year until the 9th year.
Okay.
10th year he wants to surrender the policy.
Yeah.
Will he get 100%?
He'll get 96%.
Yeah, sorry, 96%.
Yeah.
Even though he has taken the pension for
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
last
Nothing
6
will be,
years.
no pension paid out is extra. Nothing will be
Okay.
deducted. That amount is guaranteed written in the bond.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Next question.
Dr. Mishra, this is Mukund Pandey with you.
Yeah, Mr. Mukund. Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
very quick. I know you. First of all, let me compliment. I think you have rubbed off your, your belief in the whole system that's coming up. It's come out very strongly. I'm sure it's leaving an impact on the
Thank you.
audience here today. Very quick questions. This is regarding, you mentioned that through regulatory authorities, you are supposed to put the first year premium in the local markets here in the UAE.
Yeah.
What happens in the subsequent years?
No,
And
first year,
also-
whole premium, whatever investments. Every year investment has to be in this market.
Oh, okay, all right.
It is, yeah, there is a clause they have given for ULIPs, they have a separate clause. But since we are running a fixed instruments, so bond investments, now we are having negotiations going on that part. I will not disclose here. This is not a platform. But I can tell you, we are negotiating to reduce 100% to some portion so we can have a leverage of giving a better return. As of now, whatever money generated from this market has to be invested anywhere the security is on this market only. Maybe in USD denominated only, because we don't invest in any other currency except USD.
Okay, all right, point taken. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, anyone?
Yeah, it's completely.
So they become silent, sir. So
How about dirhams, sir?
Silenced all the opposition, I think. Yeah, Vivek, what is it?
Yeah. How about dirhams? Dirhams currency is accepted?
no, we
AED.
invest only in USD.
Yes.
Dirhams, we keep it for certain securities, bank guarantees and securities.
No, he's talking about payments. Yeah, it is linked. So you can
Yeah, payment is like old structure. You can pay in dirhams, you can take back in dirhams. We are taking premium in two modes. Dirhams, because it's a local country, so it is converted in 3.68 and in dollars. And payment also can be taken in any currency in which he wants. Like in dollar is the denomination of the policies, but after that, if somebody wanted in dirham, somebody wanted in Canadian, somebody wanted in any Indian rupees, that will be paid.
So Dr. Mishra, I'm Mukund once more.
Yeah.
Okay, so we were working around the quotation with Mr. Raju about 2 days back. The illustrations themselves don't look very healthy, right? It's going to be challenging for the consultants to sit in front of
Which plan, sir? Which plan?
Mr. Raju, would you recollect for me, please? I don't remember the numbers.
Yeah, it's the new pen, 256, I think, right? Or 255.
Yeah. So I remember we were quite sort of dejected on looking at the illustration numbers, right, Mr. Raju? I do understand with the variety of your presentation has got quite a few things. So it seems that on the consultants as being the front person, they will have to share a lot of information in terms of, let's say, FCNR returns or a bit of details on how the bonds are working or the interest rates are working. What do you have to say on that?
Yeah, that is what I was saying, that you have to improve the core skills. Now we cannot push our own product. I'll tell you simple one example. Before 14th October, we were having product pen. That bonus rates, we were showing the current bonus rate also. Then return was much higher. It was even 3.5%, 4%, 4.5% for a long term. This was the old pricing product of old companies. Old company means since legacy company 1989. So in current tenure, it was a product which was pushing the selling capacity. People used to calculate. Now, since we're matching with the current rates of market, like if current rates of bonus, which is disclosed in 256, is giving you 2% of IRR. So that 2% should be matched with the market until unless you give some comparisons to the customer. Customer will have that iota of 5%, 6%, and they meet LIC, they give 4%, 4.5%. Now this conviction we have to develop with some mental setup. We have to understood now we are dealing with the US dollar denomination policies. I know many of my consultants to whom I've done plenty of joint calls in market. I've seen a customer, by listening to us, and when the joint calls on telephone started, they say, sir, we are giving you 4% guaranteed in USD. And people believe that 5% I'm getting in INR and 4% in USD. So of course, fine, give me the quote. But now, friends, we are in a very, very competitive environment. We have to deal with the current scenario available. And that is one of the reasons we have to understood the current FCNR rates, current available instruments rates, USD bond rates, how treasury moving, because this will enhance your capacity to push the low risk of investments. And for that, I always believe the pyramid you must understood, which is last time I had a topic of financial pyramid to the Nexus team only. I think that can be again refurbished, and portfolio management, when you talk about the low risk of investment of customer, I think there LIC will have a chance, not on a risky investments.
So yeah, personally speaking, which means each illustration has to be complemented with some of these other statistical hard work that you put in, or maybe at one's own personal end, one has to probably work at some figures and keep
it has to work on, sir, because see, that illustration which we displayed as of now is based on the regulatory requirement. It is a vague circular. You know how BOD 49 is being put up before us. So we are the only company where we are not having any fund investments portfolio. It is mostly like a participating policies where all the company takes the security and liability of investments. So here all the risk is borne by the company. So there are certain vague which we can remove in the next illustrations. Maybe in a couple of, we may be having a meeting with ISO, we'll try to have that sorted out. I have changed some of the illustrations in PEP and 259, understanding the guaranteed part, because that is mostly guaranteed. So we have changed the type of circular in that. Portals also under revisions. That is only confusion is in PEN, because they have to show this. They clearly said that you have to give 2 benefit illustration if it is not guaranteed. So putting that 3 column becomes a very lengthy calculations, and to understanding Excel sheet in 1 page, again, I understand the logic of old illustration was very simple. You put it this much, you get this much. Now you have to understood, let customer understood what is the surrender factors, surrender values, loss and gain, what they are getting in a different years. I think this current illustrations is a very good illustration considering customer point of view, but our consultant has to first use to it, understood its magic, then only it will go. So slowly I am there to have a regular exercise. You can have touch with me, but at the same time, I can tell you in one line, our product can be supplemented with the market data only, then only it will be pushed. So we have to improve our market knowledge in parallel to what product we are prescribing in the customer.
Sure, thank you very much. Thank you. That
Hey,
will
Dr.
be all
Pradeep.
from my side.
Hey, thanks for the presentation. This is Utsav here. My question is on the new 256 regular saving plan.
Okay.
You mentioned the revisionary bonus there, which is 10 at the moment, and it could be different figures in the future.
Yeah.
But as far as I can recollect the illustration, at $10, the growth rate was coming close to 3.5% in the illustration. Now with the restriction with the maximum growth rate, would the bonus even be able to reach a figure of $15? Because you mentioned it could be 15, 20, 25.
No. How? No, 3.5% is a EBOR plus rate. See, there are costs are also involved. It is not a 3.5% on funds are moving, because you know, there are mortality charge, there are fixed cost involved in product. So removing that, whatever fund available from the company in ULIP, it is transparent to the customer. But here it is what company has decided when we're designing the participating product. So whatever actuarial cost is removed, beyond after that, if that fund grows at 3.5% based on that what IA has decided, so it comes to $10.
Yeah, I get that. Let's suppose the IBOR plus 4%. I think that example was at around $13 in terms of the bonus, right?
Correct.
So as long as the current IBOR rates stand, the revisionary bonus cannot be more than $13 in the current scenario.
Yeah.
Even if LIC wants to declare, they won't be able to declare.
No, LIC can declare. That is why we put it as a final edition bonus. LIC, if gets some surplus on these policies, LIC will be able to see. We still have a margin. LIC IA has given 4.5%. As of now, it's 4.6%. So you can have plus 4%. We are still below 0.5%. We kept it only 4%. If you keep it as of now, yesterday's EBOR rate is 0.67. So 4 plus 4.67. So we can have 4.5 of return illustration. So we can show $16 also. That's not an issue.
Okay.
We
yeah,
are in
it's
a lower
tougher-
side.
it's
I
tougher road
personally,
to going back to around $20 or more than that. It'll
yeah,
be very tough for
$20. I
capitalizing.
personally see in couple of years things which my perspectives, global perspectives, which I've seen and which I have discussion with the investment team. I think 20 is the reality. 20 is going to be very real in maybe in 2 years of time.
All right, noted. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So, any questions?
Pradeep, on the child education plan, has there been any change in the medical, in the examination, the medical?
No, not at all, sir. As of now, we don't have any information on the chart change. It is same like old plan, up to $75,000 sum assured, 0 to 5, there is no medical, 0 to 4. And after 5, there is medical. So I think we can take it up with the new rules. As of now, it is the
Okay.
same as old.
Excellent presentation, Pradeep. I'm going to have to leave you now, but congratulations. It was very, very informative and very useful. And I think in future, if we can target one plan at a time and go in depth and then look at
Right.
marketing strategies for each plan, where they position themselves in the market and everything else, be very beneficial. But thank you very much. An excellent
Thank
job.
you, sir. Thank you for coming, sir.
I think, as I said, it's. I think it puts the entire perspective, with everyone right now, and maybe that illustration, a little bit of changes here and there could make it even more attractive. Yeah, the education plan, of course, is a winner, and so is that the 9-year plan. Even those two, I think, will have an immediate market. Pension has always existed. Only the pen, I think it was not looking too attractive. If you can just tweak it a bit and then probably provide that multiple, bonus rates, I'm sure all of them are eminently saleable in this atmosphere, because none of the international providers have got any savings plan which look anywhere close to decency, as I would say. Okay, so there is a very, very good opportunity for LIC plans which can be sold right now. So probably we will have more shorter sessions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. With team.
We will have more specific. I understood that 256 will be having more session. I try to give just an overall idea about the 5 session which we have. So slowly the queries will be started. So maybe next 10 days or next week or coming days, we are going to have exclusive sessions on that sellability on a different part.
Fantastic. Thank you. Please do send the link to us.
Yeah, sir. Anytime. Anytime.
The team. Not many people were able to log in because they all have been sending messages that has reached the maximum limit.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to ask, because during our CAT course before, a representative from the LIC has presented to us something like with if a client will invest an absolute amount, right, and then the next month they will already get a guaranteed income. Does it still apply? Do you still have such kind of product right now?
Yeah, it is there. That same plan 259 which we discussed today. You can have a hands-on practice on the illustrations of 259, which is immediate annuity plan. That is what you can pay in lump sum today, and next month you can start getting income.
All right, I'll go check on it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Grace. Yes, sir. You are saying something.
Yeah. No, brilliant. Grace, she's in my team, so we will probably go on Zoom online, and I can take her through that.
Yeah, no problems. Even somebody wants personal, sir, anytime, if somebody have some customer, they are looking for some quality inputs from me, from horse's mouth, we can join as per my convenience on Zoom also for them to provide some exclusive one-to-one help also.
Certainly, Pradeep. I think we'll put a stipulation. If it is only above $1 million, Pradeep will come online.
Yeah.
Raise the bar. Yeah.
Yeah, and very shortly I'm coming to Dubai also. So now I'll be more approachable, more reachable.
Yes, thank you. I think he will be the country manager for LIC. So thank you very much, Pradeep. It's been a fantastic presentation today. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hope to see you soon again. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone, friends, participation. You can
Thank you very much.
send me your I'll share my mobile number. I don't know. I'm sorry to I couldn't share you, but I'll share you my mobile number. Please write it